Well, good morning once again. So this video is Sidari, as promised. Now I've not said an awful lot on it because yesterday when I filmed it I was not having a good day speaking. But I think I'm a bit better this morning. Anyway, there's not a lot new, but I did find a nice new bar called... Hello Frankie. I did find a nice new bar called Vintages. It's right on the right hand side as you come to the road junction where I told you to turn right for that nice restaurant. I found their prices to be very reasonable, the service very good, friendly, clean and cheap. So out of all the bars I went into, that was the best one of the lot. So anyway, here's your film. I've not spoken a lot, as I said. Not a lot different. I'm pleased to see they've been digging up the beach and putting drains in, I think. And there's a lot of new swimming pools at the back, and they've turned it into gardens instead of thousands of sunbeds, which is really nice. Made a change. Enjoy the video and thank you for watching. At this junction there are three major supermarkets behind the service station. Turning right at the junction takes you into Sidari. If I had to guess, I'd say this is the cheapest supermarket, period. This is the right turn. It also takes you to a nice quiet beach. You will pass several tempting restaurants on the way, but they're not the one I'm talking about. This is the restaurant I'm talking about. Excellent Sunday roast, half English, half big, people running it. Good measures, fair prices. I really do recommend this place. I'm bang here across the water. And here we are, back to the start of the main drag. Blackpool with, what do they call them? Pythonins. This is Vintage Cocktail Bar. All tourist shops. You can buy this junk anywhere in Corfu. Local church. Local supermarket in the high street. I like the booze. No sunbeds, hooray! I spoke too soon. Too many sunbeds. But at least this area is untouched. Well, I must say, this is an improvement on last year. Apartments right on the beach. Talk of the town bar. They look okay. Not a bad situation. So I've been to Sidari. I had a beer in vintages, and now I'm in my own patch in Oscars. Cheers. I feel more comfortable here. Not a lot to say that's new. It's all the same. but I love it. So good health. Cheers.